So hello guys, welcome back to the new tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to implement day, month and year function using DAX in Power BI. So for this tutorial, again I'll be working with this online retail dataset. It has columns like order date, category, profit and sales. Now let's say we want to extract day, month and year of each order from this order date. In short, we need to create three new columns, each for day, month and year. So let's see how we can do this. So for that, just right click on this data set and click on new column. Since we need to create new columns, first we'll create a day column. So let's give it a name as day, and I will use a day function and we'll pass order date column inside this function and simply hit enter. So as you guys can see, we have successfully created day column which contains all the day from my order date values. And similarly, we'll do it for month and year. So right click on your data set, click on new column. Let's give it a name as month is equal to, and this time I will use month function, and again I will pass order date column inside this function and just hit enter. And we'll repeat the same process for year column. Right click on your dataset, click on new column. Let's give it a name as year. Year is equal to, and this time we'll use year function, passing order date column inside this function. Just hit enter, and this will make the third column, which is year, which contains all the year's values. So as you guys can see, we have successfully created three new columns, each for day, month, and year using day, month, year function in DAX. So in this way, we can use day, month, and year function, which is there in DAX in Power BI. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.